Makadini hama neshamwari munofara here? In today's lesson toda kusolva that question inowanikwa under the topic trigonometry advanced level pure mathematics. Question yedu iri kuti evaluate the following without the use of a calculator. Cos of negative 120 degrees over tan of 150 degrees plus cos of 390 degrees. So tinoisolva sei? Chekutanga ndoda kuadresa a certain error of principle. Saka ndikunyora in this color because this does not make part of our solution. So this error of principle kana kuti principle error yandiri kuda kutarisa panapa ndeyekuti kana tichiti cos of minus 120 degrees over the tan of 150 degrees plus the cos of 390 degrees, chatinofanirwa kuziva, chatinofanirwa kuappreciata ndechekuti zvatanyora izvi hazvisi equal to cos minus 120 degrees plus cos 390 degrees over the tan of 150 degrees. Zvandanyora kuleft kunoku hazvina kufanana nezvandanyora kuright kunoku. Ndochekutanga. So if you solve as if muri kusolva zviri kunoku, you are going to get a wrong answer. In actuality, kunyora kuti cos minus 120 degrees over the tan of 150 degrees, kunyora zvataita izvi, plus the cos of 390 degrees, tikada kuzviisa under a common denominator, kana kuti tikada kuzviisa under one denominator, tinge takunyora takati the cos of minus 120 degrees vatati plus cos 390 degrees tan 150 degrees vatati everything is now over the tan of 150 degrees. Zvandanyora izvi ndazviwanepi? Zvandanyora izvi ndazviwana after adding cos minus 120 degrees over tan 150 degrees plus cos 390 degrees noku ndikati over 1. Saka kueda of course tinoisa a common denominator which in my case is tan 150 degrees. Then if you add literally this fraction plus this fraction, munowana this solution kana kuti this sum. Kana chiti error of principle, tiri kuti error iri kubva pakuti pane concept in mathematics yamusiri kunzwisisa. So if you don't understand this concept, kuti zvatanyora ku left hand side kunoku hazvisi equal zvatanyora ku right hand side. In other words, please solve zvinhu zvamabvunzwa. Uye kana question yauya iri structured a certain way, before maita alter that structure, before machinja the structuring of a question, it is best kuti muone kuti kuchinja kwenyu kuri in line here with mathematical principles. Because we can dial this down, tinogona kusimplify in this way. Let us say kuti 1/2 minus 1 kwakafanana here nekuti 1 minus 1 over 2. Kana tichiti zvakafanana, because kana munhu akanyora zviri ku left kuno kuchizawa question, akazvinyora in this way, haana kusiyana in principle nemunhu ati 1 over 2 minus 1 zvakafanana nekuti 1 minus 1 over 2. Zvakasiyana. We can actually say panapa 1 over 2 plus 1 kuti zvifanane. Zvakafanana here nekuti 1 plus 1 over 2. Panapa of course, side kuno tinowana 1.5 as our answer, but mukasolva munoona tinowana 1. Kureva kuti zvazvina kudi kufanana. So I hope I've illustrated carefully this error of principle. Kana muine question pertaining kuti zvafamba sei apo, you are free to ask. But at this point, I think ndabuditsa zvandanga chida kubuditsa zvakanaka. So that is our question. Evaluate the following without the use of a calculator. Takapiwa chi? Let us answer our question. Takapiwa the cos of minus 120 degrees over the tan of 150 degrees plus the cos of 390 degrees, like that. Ndozvatakapiwa. Tinoisolva sei? The moment patinoudzwa kuti we have to solve a certain expression of trigonometry, ndobva paspecifiwa kuti without using a calculator, we should know kuti there and there tinotarisirwa kuaplya ma-special angles. And ma-special angles takatomaita anoti kudini? We have 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. These are the special angles which we did. If you want to revise, you can check out the lessons we did on trigonometry, pure mathematics. You'll be able to revise. Saka taona kuti aya ndiwo ma-special angles. Special in the sense that we can calculate them using two triangles, a right angle and an equilateral triangle. That is why we call them special. We then look at our question. Ma-angles ari mukati me-question yedu, tina minus 120 degrees, tina 390 degrees, tina 150 degrees. Because of that, we do not have 30, 45, 60, and 90 directly. We have to apply what is called reduction formula. And the moment we know that we have to apply reduction formula, then we should also know that we should apply quadrants. The cast mnemonic from 0 to 90 to 180 to 270 to 360. Like that. So these are our 4 quadrants. Of course, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Then tadaro, we have to look at our angles. Pekutanga panapa, tina cos of minus 120 degrees. Before we apply the reduction formula, kana kuti before we apply ma quadrants aya, we have to know kuti the cos of minus 120 degrees is equal to the cos of 120 degrees. Izvi zviri kubva ipi? Izvi zviri kubva pama negative identities atakadzidza. So I don't want to speak much about negative identities. Asi kana muchingoda henyu kurangarira, ma negative identities aitaura chiti kana tiine the cos of a negative theta, this is equal to cos theta. Kana tiine the sine of a negative theta, this is equal to minus sine theta. Kana tiine the tan of a negative theta, this is equal to minus tan theta. Aya ndo anonzi machi? Ma negative angles. Saka for our negative angles, kana kuti negative identities, actually, these are called negative identities. And for our negative identities, cos ndiyo ine a cancellation power. The cos of a negative angle, negative theta, is equal to the cos of the negated negative. Ngoreva kuti minus 120 degrees inosova just cos of 120 degrees. So after we have applied that, we then go to the next step. What is the next step? Saka take note of the color coding of this lesson. White ndo zvinhu zvamunotarisirwa kuisa muexam. Then amwe macolor, they are just illustrations and helping you think. because in mathematics we do not teach in particular only how to apply the mathematics. We are also interested in teaching how to think mathematically. Saka zvandiri kunyora izvo, it's just to help you think, to coordinate your thinking. Taona kuti the cos of a negative 120 degrees iri equal to cos of 120 degrees. 120 degrees haipo pama special angles. Saka toita sei? We have to determine kuti 120 degrees inowanikwa in which quadrant. 120 degrees inowanikwa in the second quadrant, because the second quadrant ndiyo inobva pana 90 ichienda pa 180. 120 is a number between 90 and 180. So this cos 120 degrees is in the second quadrant. Taona kuti this cos is in the second quadrant. What do we have to do? What we do is we have that diagram ratakaisa maquadrants mumusoro. Saka panapa we are going to assume kuti ratova mumusoro. We are not going to write it down or bring it out. What happens is we are going to convert 120 degrees and write it in terms of 180. What do I mean? Tikatora 120 degrees, tikasubtracta 180, tikasubtracta 120 from 180, tinowana ani? Tinowana 60 degrees. Zvazviri kungoreva ndezvekuti tikati 180 subtract 60 tinowana 120. So what we are going to do here is this is going to be equal to what? Equal to the cos of 180 degrees subtracting 60 degrees, like that. And we know from the second quadrant that if we have the cos of 180 degrees minus theta, this is going to be equal to minus cos theta. The reason being, in the second quadrant, only sign is positive. Saka ndo mafambiro azvinoita. Kureva kuti panapa patanyora kuti the cos of 180 degrees minus 60, this is going to be equal to minus cos of 60 degrees, like that. Saka tatora the cos minus 120 degrees, tika apply ma negative identities kuti tiwane the cos of 120 degrees. Ndobva tatora the cos of 120 degrees tikairelata to 180 degrees, tikainyora as cos of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, tikaona kuti this is equal to minus cos 60 degrees. Togumira ipapo. Let us take the cos 390 degrees. Saka taapanapa. Tikatora cos 390 degrees here, there's something we should look at and discover. 390 is above a complete period and a complete revolution. The complete revolution is 360 degrees. So because the complete revolution is 360 degrees, 390 degrees is above 360 degrees. Saka we have to reduce it. We have to make it acute. How do we do that? Literally, zvatinoita panapa ndezvekuti we want to relate 390 degrees to 360 degrees. And mariletero atinoita ndekuti we are just going to take 390 degrees, then we subtract 360 degrees. Then we see panapa 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 30 degrees. What it means? It means 360 degrees plus 30 degrees ndo inotipa 390 degrees. So instead of kunyora kuti the cos of 390 degrees, takunyora kuti cos of what? 360 degrees plus 30 degrees. But we know from the first quadrant, because zvatiri kuita is we are reducing an angle which is above a complete revolution tichiita kuti ive an acute. Saka the behavior of cos 360 degrees plus theta in the first quadrant is just equal to cos theta. The reason being, everything in the first quadrant, all trig functions in the first quadrant are positive. Saka cos 360 degrees plus 30 is equal to cos 30. Kureva kuti panapa we just come and write chi cos 30 like that. Saka taita cos minus 120 degrees ikasara iri minus cos 60 degrees. Tikaita cos 390 degrees ikasara iri cos 30 degrees. Let us now do tan. Saka tan 150 degrees. Our first question, 150 degrees tinoiziva here. Like, do we have a mechanism? Is it a special angle? Do we know kuti the tan of 150 is equal to chi? We do not know. And it's not part of the special angles. So what do we do? What we do is we determine kuti iri in which quadrant. 150 is between 90 and 180. Kureva kuti iri in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, if we come here and we do this, we subtract 180 degrees, subtracting 150. What do we get? 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 30 degrees. Tofunga kuziva kuti kana 180 degrees minus 150 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Zvinoreva kuti 180 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to chi? 150 degrees. 180 degrees minus 150 degrees inotipa 30 degrees. Saka tikatora 180 tikasubtracta 30 tinofanira kuwana 150 degrees. So instead of kunyora kuti the tan of 150 degrees, takunyora kuti the tan of 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. Like that. But there is a certain behavior in the second quadrant. Inoti the tan of 180 degrees subtracting theta is equal to minus tan theta. Is it teaches one from the fact that in the second quadrant only sign is positive. So panapa, this is going to be equal to chi minus the tan of 30 degrees, like that. Saka tatora matrig functions edu, cos minus 120 degrees, cos 390 degrees, na tan 150 degrees, tikama simplify. Takudzika pano tenge takungoti therefore, instead of kunyora kuti cos minus 120 degrees, takunyora kuti minus cos 60 degrees. So that over, instead of kunyora kuti tan 150 degrees, takunyora kuti minus tan 30 degrees. So that plus, instead of kunyora kuti cos 390 degrees, takungonyora kuti cos chi 30 degrees. Saka we have used and applied reduction formula. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Tasvika pa this stage, takufanirwa kuchiapply ma special angles. So I hope kuti munomaziya, ina hangu andimakremi ma special angles aya, because kumawana kuri relatively easy. Saka ndinongodai so, panapa pane 60 degrees, apo pane 30 degrees, pasi panapa ndozvirangaridza nechashotawo this mnemonic, like that. Ndoandakuda kuchireplace panapa. But before we go anywhere, panapa tina minus cos 60 degrees over minus tan 30 degrees. Saka, we can just cancel my negatives. Yongosara iri cos 60 over tan 30 plus cos 30. Tadaro manje, what are we going to do? Panapa, I can take you through two methods, but it's unnecessary. So let me rather apply the easier method to go by. Saka easier method irikufamba sei? What is cos 60? This is 60. Cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent of 60 is 1, hypotenuse are 2. Saka to replace cos 60 1/2. So that over. How about tan 30 degrees? Tan 30, this is 30. Tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So 30, the opposite is 1, and the adjacent is √3. Like that. So that is plus cos 30 degrees. Cos is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. So this is the cos. What is going to be the adjacent? √3 over the hypotenuse, which is 2. So to replace cos 60, cos 30 and tan 30, we just have to do the basic arithmetic. And basic arithmetic yedu inongotiudza kuti 1/2 iyo it's going to be dividing 1 over √3. So that plus √3 over 2. Zvatangoita panapa replace this division line ne-division sign. And todzokera grade 5 isusu ticha vedu vaiti pidiguration yatichada kuapply apa. Mai Muruvi vakandidzidzisa vachiti pidiguration. Saka panapa toita kuti 1 over 2 multiplying √3 over 1 like that. So that plus √3 over 2 like this. Saka patinochinja from division to multiplication tinopidigura 1 over √3. I hope it's just the knowledge you already have. Saka pano 1 times √3, numerator by numerator over denominator by denominator, 2 times 1 is 2 plus √3 over 2. Then panapa takugona kuisimplify nenzira dzakawanda, but nzira yandafarira ndeyekuti since tiri kuti √3 over 2 plus √3 over 2, zvoreva kuti we are adding something to itself, kureva kuti we can just say 2 multiplying √3 over 2. Ma2 akachekana, we get our final answer √3. But you can elect imimi to go the traditional way, √3 over 2 plus √3 over 2. We know kuti panapa we have the same denominator, saka we are just going to add zviri pamusoro √3 plus √3. I hope kuti hamuzoite mistake yekusaziva kuti √3 plus √3 ndi 2 √3 over 2. Ma2 akachekana, answer yedu yobuda iri √3. So our answer is √3, and ndo mawaniro atinoita. I hope kuti muchabata kuti zvofamba sei. I also hope kuti muchabvunza kana muine pamusinganyatsokunzwisisa. Otherwise, thank you for your time and have a nice one.